You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this planet. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but confusing names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it then? Well, in British English it is normally said as Uranus, Uranus, Uranus. Now in American English it sounds a lot more like Uranus, Uranus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.